guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Now you're about to see an unboxing for Skin to Glow, and I'm having to redo the intro because for some reason my memory card just crapped its pants and I just could not get the footage off it. So I'm going to do the bit that I've missed and then we'll get into the actual unboxing when I actually did it. But yeah, so this is the Skin to Glow beauty box. This was sent to me to review for free, which is so lovely of the company, and I am very grateful. And it is a beauty box where you get 5 products a month. You can either do it monthly or quarterly, and it's £28.95 a month with free UK shipping. They ship to the UK, Canada and America. And it is kind of vegan, cruelty-free, non-toxic ingredients, and it's free from all the bad stuff like irritants, carcinogens, parabens, sulfates, PGs, formaldehyde, all the bad stuff it is free from. So yeah, it is an awesome box. You'll see that in a minute when you see me actually unbox it like 2 days ago. But yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. I have a giveaway coming very soon and very exciting stuff. But yeah, let's jump in to the video. If you subscribe for 6 months, you get your first box free. They have given me a discount code, which I will put on the screen for you guys now. A beautiful box. So we're just gonna jump in and see what's inside, if I can get it open. So, oh, there's a little note. So the little bit here, beauty with a conscience, it says, happy discoveries, thank you for choosing Skin to Glow. You're a part of our journey and we are so excited to be part of yours. Don't forget to snap, share and tell us about your beauty with a conscience. And there's a little note that says my name on it. So I will quickly read this. Welcome to the July edit of our natural beauty box, Tropical. Now I don't know about you, but at this time of year my mind always drifts to the thought of holidays, sun and beaches. Unfortunately this year it may be a little longer before we can think about going on a holiday. So why not indulge in a sense of the tropical with our July edit? As a new reward exclusive for subscribers, you can shop these products on our website with a 15% discount on every purchase you make. So I'm just going to grab things. It looks really cool. So it's like this. It's the little, you can tell it's the recycled packaging, which is nice. And I'm going to grab, oh my god, I'm so excited about this one. I literally did this mask the other day and it was one of my favourite masks I have ever done. It is a CBD infused sheet mask and it's Beauty Pro. I literally did this, like I had one of these and I did it maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago and I loved it. It was so good. This is £4.95, enriched with nourishing benefits of CBD oil. This mask leaves skin with a revitalised appearance. It's deeply therapeutic and hydrating. The CBD is combined with essential omega-3 fatty acids to give your skin the goodness it needs to glow. This is so nice. It's literally the best smelling mask ever, and my skin felt so good after it. And it says Beauty Pro provide a multi-award-winning range of skincare sheet masks developed for men and women, cruelty-free, scientifically formulated and dermatologically tested to provide only the highest quality of products that bring outstanding results. The masks are plastic-free and biodegradable, plant-based with ingredients sustainably sourced from ethical suppliers, and they are registered with PETA and the Vegan Society. So yeah, £4.95, that's lovely. I'm very happy with that. Next up, rum and blackcurrant delicate dusting powder. What? That's a big old tub. Look at that. Beautiful packaging. She a little stunner on the front there. What is it? It's got a puff. It's got a puff. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells good. Right, let's see what it is first before I start spilling it all over my sofa. Dusting powder, rum and blackcurrant by Betty Hooler. This is $9.99. This delicate dusting powder is a perfect alternative to talc. It not only smells divine, it keeps your skin naturally dry by gently absorbing excessive moisture. leaving you feeling relaxed and refreshed. It comes with a vintage body puff, which evenly and lightly dusts across your body, helping reduce chafing, friction, excess moisture, and leaving your skin silky smooth. It's free from talc, parabens, and natural, cruelty-free and vegan. Betty Hoola is a Yorkshire-based company that provides an honest, natural beauty. They believe in handcrafted products that benefit and rejuvenate your skin. They only use the best ingredients nature has to offer and blend them with an exotic range of Ireland-inspired scents. This is to avoid chemical nasties and preservatives and never test on animals. That's so cool. I've never heard of Betty Hoola before. This is going to be for the chub rub. If you don't know what chub rub is, then I'm jealous. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. It's literally like just cardboardy. It smells so good. Oh my god, the puff is so cute. Look, this is Betty Hoola on it. That is so cute. So you can, not that you put it on your hand, you might do. And I think you just kind of tip it like that. This is where it's going to go everywhere. Yeah, and it's all over my sofa. So yeah, and then you put your puff in. I love it. It smells so good. I want to lick it. Not going to, but I want to. Lovely stuff. Next up, I've got Seascape Uplift Awake Oil. Ooh. Have a little look what this says. Uplift Awake Oil by Seascape Island I can't say it, that word. I can normally say it, I just can't today for some reason. I'll put it on the screen. £10. This award-winning oil contains 100% natural essential oils to stimulate the circulation. The Jersey eucalyptus, lime and lavender, oh this sounds lovely, will stimulate your circulation and energise your body and refresh your senses. Grapeseed and sweet almond oils complete the beautiful scent. Apply the oil to your temples and wrists will leave you feeling refreshed and energised. This oil is natural, cruelty-free and vegan. Seascape Island the word that I can't say, make all their products free from parabens, silicone, petroleum, synthetic fragrance and SLS, cruelty free with no animal testing and on any product or ingredients. All products are sourced with ethical suppliers and the beautiful bottles and packaging are recyclable. They've held the Positive Luxury Trust mark since 2013 for maintaining the highest standards of corporate responsibility, consideration for the environment and social good. That is amazing. That's so good. I know so many people that would like this box because finding like cruelty free and vegan and all the ethical stuff is so hard. Get out of your cardboard prison. So, oh, that's nice. It's a little roller ball. I did wonder how I was going to put it on. Come on. Get out. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I'm going to put this on my temples before I go to bed tonight and see if it can calm me the fuck down. That smells so good. I know it says it's an awaken one, but oh, it smells so good. I'm going to try it. Okay, next we've got Tropical Island Pink and Green Skincare Tropical Island Organic Foot, Hand and Body Scrub made in England. That looks like this. Oh, what do you smell of? It smells a bit like lemon meringue. Is it lemon? Is it lemon? Lemon. Citronella. Right, what do you do? What do you do? This is £8, an organic cane sugar scrub infused with orange, lemon and lime essential oils to give an invigorating, refreshing exfoliation. Sugar granules dissolve, your skin is left feeling enriched with tropical drench of coconut and macadamia oils. Free from parabens, sulfates, petrochemicals, artificial fragrance and colour, vegan and cruelty free, and it is in a recyclable container. Pink and Green Skincare is an organic skincare company based in Wiltshire. They only use natural ingredients and they're never tested on animals. They believe that what you put on your skin should help you look and feel wonderful. The self-care ethos is seen throughout their range as their products are responsibly sourced and handmade in small batches. That's lovely. I will give that a go later on. It smells so good. I want to lick it. Why do I want to lick everything? It smells so nice. It's only sugar though, so technically I might be able to lick that. I won't. Could I? No, I won't. Okay. And lastly is Age of Aquarius hair oil, Neighbourhood Botanicals. It's a really cool bottle. It makes me think of what is it? This is the edging of Aquarius. That song that, you know, that Steve Carell sings in a film. I can't remember, but it's in my head. This is £29. Wow. Beautifully light, natural and silicone-free hair oil. It's a sleek moisturising treat for thirsty ends. Oh, I need that. Gives you soft, smooth hair with a healthy shine and definition. It contains camellia oil, which is light and silky with a fatty acid makeup similar to our skin's natural oils. Also contains shea butter and jojoba wax that protect and soften your hair, smoothing hair and locking in moisture. It is tinted blue from the German chamomile and won't stain your hair. Product is vegan, cruelty-free and made in the UK, and the package is recycling. Neighbourhood Botanicals is a London-based beauty brand established to bring straightforward, honest and natural beauty to all customers. All products are not only 100% natural but cruelty-free and vegan as well, and they are currently working towards a zero-waste refill scheme to replace their current recyclable packaging and support a number of charities and causes worldwide. That's amazing. I will link all of these companies down below, and if I can find their Instagrams, I'll link them as well. This is such a nice box. So it says, we hope you've enjoyed this month's discoveries, that you find something that you love, and as usual we've included links to where you can buy them, and we've also have them listed on our website. Don't forget, subscribers save 15% on all shop purchases. See you next month. That is awesome. I love it. Thank you so much for sending me this. That is so nice of you. I will, as I said, I'll link everything down below for you guys. I'll put the discount code on the screen as well. And I will find everybody on Instagram and then tag them, because I don't know if they're big companies or little companies, but I will tag them all. And oh, you can put it under your nose. That's the oil stuff. It says put under your nose to wake you up. I'm just going to cover my whole body in it. That's awesome. I really like that. I'll put on the screen as well how much the whole box is worth. It says, I think it was like, it was £29 to buy. The oil on its own is 29, so 29, 39, 49, 59, like 55 quid it's worth. So it's really good value, especially the fact that it is all cruelty free and vegan and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.